Hi, this is Dr. Fundora. Welcome to Fundora My Dentist. Let's talk about dentistry. One of the most common questions we see in patients is, Doctor, do I have periodontal disease? Do I have gum disease? Do I need a regular cleaning? And I always tell my patients that it really depends on different factors. You're unique. Your genetics is unique. And so when we talk about periodontal disease, we're not just talking about gum inflammation anymore. Now we're talking about losing some of the bone that supports your gum, support your teeth. So many patients have a genetic predisposition to lose some of that bone, and you will see when you talk to family members or not, they will tell you, well, yes, I do remember grandma, I do remember grandpa losing their teeth at an early age. It doesn't mean that there's nothing you can do, okay? It doesn't mean that you're 100% your grandparents or your parents, but it just means that you have to be a little bit more careful and just understand the process. Obviously, there are going to be some other factors. For instance, patients who smoke, patients who have systemic disease that would compromise, well, how much blood, how much nutrients we're getting into those tissues. The smoking doesn't quite help a lot. I know it's hard to quit, but basically the cigarette, the tobacco eventually would prevent some of the nutrients that we need to heal from getting to those tissues. And so you will see that you heal slower, you will see that the bone tends to not be there. It's always a good idea to think about quitting. I know it's easier said than done, but something that you definitely want to think about, or at least just ask questions, and we can always refer you to someone who could help you if you want to be helped. Other things that would not help, say, gum inflammation or periodontal disease, is not keeping up with your regular routine. What do I mean by that? Well, coming to the dentist every 6 months. If you have a healthy gum, if you don't have bone loss, that would help prevent excessive dental plaque, dental biofilm accumulation, pretty much layers and layers of bacteria that will be causing inflammation. Keeping up with your periodontal recall. What does that mean for you? That means that if you have been diagnosed with periodontal disease, well, now after we have established a baseline and we know where we are in terms of, well, how deep are the pockets around my gums and whatnot, but then you want to come back every 3-4 months. For some patients, unfortunately, it's a little bit sooner than that. The goal is to control the inflammation, make sure you don't lose any more bone.